Hello everyone. There is a small setting on iPhone that might be the reason your mobile data runs out before end of the month. And by the way, this setting is enabled by default. So let's learn how to turn it off before it eats your data without you even noticing. There is a feature on the iPhone called Wi-Fi Assist. This feature automatically switches to mobile data when Wi-Fi signal gets weak without sending any notification, so you think you are on Wi-Fi. Still, will your apps are eating your mobile data without you even knowing about it. To turn this off, you need to go to Settings. Now you need to click on Mobile Service or Cellular, depends on what option is called on your iPhone. Here you just need to scroll down and here will be Wi-Fi Assist. As you can see here, it's enabled by default and you will see that it's gray. You won't be able to turn this off. So how can we turn this off? You need to go up and just enable mobile data. Now scroll down again, and as you can see here, this option has been unlocked. So you just need to turn this off, click on it. Once it's gray, just go back and disable your mobile data. Now you can control when you want to use mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. It won't swap automatically, and this is the way you're going to save your mobile data. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.